Welcome to Bike Informers, your trusted source for the latest bike news and updates. Today, we're bringing you an exciting review of the all-new 2025 Yamaha MIO 1125, a scooter that's set to turn heads with its fresh design, efficient performance, and smart features. A bold step forward in design. The 2025 Yamaha MIO 1125 has undergone a significant design upgrade. Yamaha has introduced a more aerodynamic body, sharper lines, and LED lighting that gives it a sporty and futuristic look. The scooter is available in vibrant new colors, targeting young and urban riders who crave style along with practicality. With a redesigned front fascia, aggressive headlamp, and sleeker rear profile, the MIO 1125 is definitely a step ahead in the scooter segment. Performance and engine. Under the hood, the MIO 1125 is powered by a 112.5 cubic centimeters blue core engine, optimized for both performance and fuel efficiency. The engine delivers smooth acceleration, making city commuting effortless and fun. Yamaha claims improved fuel economy compared to the previous model, thanks to enhanced combustion efficiency and reduced friction technology. It's lightweight, nimble, and built to handle everyday rides with ease. Smart features for modern riders. Yamaha has packed the MIO 1125 with modern features. It now includes a digital instrument cluster, smart key system, and USB charging port, making it perfect for tech-savvy riders. The inclusion of Yamaha's start and stop system helps save fuel during traffic halts, while the eco indicator guides riders towards fuel-efficient habits. Comfort and safety. The seat height and ergonomics have been adjusted for better rider comfort, even on longer journeys. The suspension has been tuned to handle rough urban roads with ease. For safety, the MIO 1125 comes with a front disc brake and unified braking system, UBS, ensuring better control and shorter stopping distances. Final thoughts. The 2025 Yamaha MIO 1125 blends style, performance, and practicality in one compact package. It's designed for the modern urban rider who wants efficiency without compromising on looks and tech. With Yamaha's trusted reliability and a fresh upgrade, this scooter is sure to become a favorite in the 110 cubic centimeters segment. Thanks for watching this review from Bike Informers. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more two-wheeler updates. Stay tuned.